Christmas weather. Britain braced for coldest winter for years. Temperatures will nosedive across the country, bringing harsh frosts and the first widespread snow of the season. Wintry showers are forecast across Scotland, northern England and swathes of the east and west coasts. It will follow a wet, windy and unusually mild week with southerly winds set to push the mercury to 15°C, 59°F, in parts. Torrential downpours across northern Britain threaten to dump a month's rain by the middle of the week. Much of the country will turn wet and windy over the next few days as temperatures hover widely in double figures. However, a dramatic U-turn at the end of the week will throw open the gates to the Arctic, forecasters warn. The next cold snap could herald the start of a long and brutally cold winter as odds tumble on a white Christmas. James Madden, forecaster for Exacta Weather, warned Britain is facing a repeat of the killer 2010-11 big freeze. Cooling of ocean waters in the eastern Pacific, a so-called La Niña effect, will be a major driver, he added. He said, "We are certainly looking at one of the coldest winters since 2010, and La Niña could have some impact on this. We could be looking at some record-breaking weather patterns, more so from January onwards in terms of cold and snow." Despite a return to some milder weather and gales during the upcoming week, the first proper widespread snow of the season is now imminent. We expect the risk to increase this weekend and into the early part of December. Forecasts are starting to mirror those issued at the end of 2010, when extreme cold weather took hold in November. Bitterly cold air from northern Europe and Siberia pushed the mercury widely below -10°C, 14°F, with -20°C, -4°F, recorded in northern Scotland. Long-range forecasters are starting to agree this year could bring a shock to the system after the previous 4 mild winters. Britain's hoping for a dusting of festive snow could be in luck with some now promising a white Christmas. Mr. Madden added, "Our forecasts are indicating a higher than normal possibility for a potential white Christmas in places. However, it is still early days, and at the moment it looks like the north is most likely to see Christmas snow, so in terms of placing bets it would be wise to exercise some caution." The cold snap will follow a stormy week of gales and heavy downpours, which on Monday night prompted the Met Office to issue a warning for rain. Heavy downpours will set in on Wednesday, threatening disruption and possible floods in northern England. Met Office forecaster Emma Sharples said, "Bursts of rain will come in from the west on Wednesday and we could see up to 100 millimeters over high ground, more than a month's worth. It will be mild for this time of year with temperatures expected to reach double figures widely, possibly touching 15°C, 59°F, away from the far north." On Thursday, winds start coming in from a northerly Arctic direction, and this will give a hint of what's coming towards the end of the week. We expect further showers in the north and down the east and west coasts, and these could be wintry with hail, especially further north. Met Office chief forecaster Dan Surrey added, "Heavy rain expected is across north and northwest England on Wednesday. Spray and flooding on roads will probably make journey times longer. Bus and train services will also probably be affected, with journey times taking longer. Flooding of a few properties is possible. Many places within the warning area will see 25 to 50 millimeters of rain, with around 100 millimeters 4 inches possible over higher ground. Daytime temperatures will struggle to get much above single figures this weekend, with only the southeast nudging 10°C, 50°F, or 11°C, 51.8°F. The mercury is forecast to dip to -6°C, 21.2°F, overnight in Scotland and the north, with lows of freezing predicted elsewhere. Forecasts for freezing weather have prompted bookies to take the axe to cold weather odds. Ladbrokes is offering 4 to 6 from 4 to 5 on a white Christmas, while Coral is now 2-1 from 5-1 on the coldest November on record. Ladbrokes spokesman Alex Apati said, "Plenty of punters will be dreaming of a white Christmas as the odds continue to fall with the temperatures." Coral's John Hill added, "This latest cold snap has prompted a gamble on this month being the coldest November on record in the UK, and with snow forecast over the next few days, the odds have been slashed again."